Good afternoon, students. Yesterday, I gave you the introduction of globes and maps. So today we will study about directions. So I will share screen. Before that, you can ask me any question about previous lesson, previous introduction which I gave you. Chapter. So yes.
Do you know the continents?
मेरी वॉइस बच्चों को ला. So if you have to ask any question, you can ask. Yes. Yes, Ridhima Mahajan, ask me the question. Yes, Ridhima, ask question.
मैम
Yes.
मैम मेरे को ग्रुप में ऐड कर दो.
Beta, ask question according to the topic. Okay, you don't have any question? Jia Malik?
Ma'am, I want to ask with books.
Have
this
you
is our
read about in Snap homework? I have sent each and everything. Yes, this book.
Ma'am, but you have sent in Snap homework that ma'am, your book is another my question answer.
I have not sent you anything. So I have not sent you anything. So today we will talk about directions. So I'll share screen. Screen. Directions. So these are the directions. You can see on the screen. There are 4 main directions. At the extreme top, north direction. There is north direction. See, you can see on the screen. There are four main directions. North, top of the map is, that top of the picture is north. Bottom, see north, top of the north, then bottom, down, bottom, bottom of the map is south. To our right, we have to see our right is east. Here is east. I am highlighting also east direction. Then left, west. So there are four main directions: north, east, south, west. Students, remember that thing. When we stand and find out the direction, you always see your right side east. Always. Wherever you stand, your east direction is at your right side. This you have to remember. Then only you will able to recognize all the directions. So north, east, south, west. At the extreme top north, then right side east, at the bottom south, and at the left side west. So I will teach about first directions. There are four main directions while locating a place. जब हमने कोई place find करनी होती है, we sometimes move forward and sometimes backward. थोड़ा हम आगे जाते हैं, फिर थोड़ा पीछे जाते हैं. Sometimes we move to the left and sometimes we move to the right. Straight way, same way I had moved. First up, then down, forward, backward, then right side, left side. See, I'm moving. So we need to move in the correct direction. So when we have to find the places, we have to move somewhere, we need to the correct direction. We need to know about the correct directions. Directions are very important to study maps. So directions are very important. You have to learn the places of the direction if you want to understand the map. So there are four main directions on a map: north, south, east and west. So apart from the main directions, अब ये सारी हमने main directions पढ़ी, इसके अलावा sub directions are also there. See, northeast. I'm highlighting northeast because this is east side, northeast side. That's why we are telling northeast. Now southeast. Straight will come down. Yes, southeast. Then we'll go to the left side. Between south and west, we are saying southwest. Then we are straight way, we are going up. Northwest, we are saying northwest. So there are four main directions and also sub directions: northeast, southeast, southwest, northwest. So these are our four main directions. So you can see carefully these four directions. Yes. So I will teach you about scale also now. How can we use scale on the map? So if we see carefully down also scale. Yes. We need a scale because we cannot show the actual size of the earth on a map. Yesterday I have taught you the size of the shape and size of the earth. Shape is round, but very big earth is very big. How can we show a big earth on a map? So we need a scale. We are calling it linear scale, which the engineers are using, architects are using. We are saying linear scale. So we minimize the long distance into smaller unit. बड़े बड़े डिस्टेंस को हम स्मॉलर यूनिट में डिवाइड करते हैं. सपोज जैसे आप अपने घर से स्कूल की तरफ आते हो, व्हेन यू आर कमिंग फ्रॉम योर होम टू स्कूल, So if you're from home to school, distance is 100 kilometer. Just we are imagining, just suppose we are, हम ऐसा मान लेते हैं. So in scale you are using the scale, same scale you are using for drawing the lines. Here is the written that meter, centimeters, meters, millimeters, then centimeters. You are using that centimeter scale. So 100 kilometer distance is there, suppose. So we have minimized it into 1 centimeter. जाने कि 100 किलोमीटर्स को हमने 1 सेंटीमीटर में डिवाइड कर दिया. अब जब हम कोई प्लेस बताएंगे आपके घर से लेके स्कूल तक, तो मैप पे इतनी बड़ी नहीं ड्रा कर सकते हम अपने शीट ऑफ पेपर पे, तो उसको छोटा सा मिनिमाइज करके बताएंगे. 1 सेंटीमीटर में हम 100 सेंटीमीटर बता देंगे. तो स्केल का हमने यूनिट क्या रखा है? 1 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 100 सेंटीमीटर. So each division which is 1 centimeter on the map is 100 kilometer on the ground. अगर जमीन में ग्राउंड में 100 किलोमीटर है डिस्टेंस, तो हम उसको 1 सेंटीमीटर बता रहे हैं. इसको रेशो निकाल के बताते हैं. Okay, so we'll move forward to the oceans and the continents. Yes. Don't be panic, it will take time to share. Yes. Yes. So the map is appeared on your screen. Just see carefully. There are the oceans and the continents. So first we'll come to the continents. Okay. I will start with the continents. Maybe not. They are big land masses. Continents are big land masses, big land. So there are 7 continents in the world. This is world map, and there are 7 continents in the world. Please stop chatting and listen to me carefully. Yes, nobody will chat. If you are not able to see the screen, that means you have network problems. So listen to me carefully. They are big land masses. Continents are big land masses, and there are 7 continents in the world. First one is Asia, the largest continent. I will tell you number wise according to area wise. Place wise, how much area is there? Area wise, and just see Asia. Asia is the largest continent. It lies in the northern hemisphere. Just now I show you the directions. Northern hemisphere, the Himalayas, the highest mountain range in the north, lies in Asia. Mount Everest, the highest peak in the world, is in Himalayas. The world's most populous country, China, also lies in this continent. So you have to learn only continents and oceans. I'm just for further, I'm giving you the information, but you have to remember the names of continents only, and which is the largest continents or smallest. You have to learn that. So Asia is the largest continent. So we'll move to the North America. So we'll move to the North America. North America is the 3rd largest continent. Students, this picture is in your book also. I have sent yesterday. So you people are not looking at the snap homework. Please. North America. North America is the 3rd largest continent. It was discovered in the 15th century. So the Rocky Mountains lie along the west coast of North America. This is the 3rd largest continent. So Africa. We'll come to the second largest. Africa is the second largest continent. This continent is called the dot continent also. So North America is the third continent. South America is also called, is the fourth largest continent, and Antarctica is the fifth largest continent, and Europe is the sixth largest and the most developed continent, and Australia is the seventh continent. It is an island continent. Yes, it is both a continent and a country. Okay, so there are 7 continents in the world. You have to remember only the names: Asia, Africa, then North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. I will repeat again: Asia, Africa, North America, South America, and Europe and Australia. So I'll move to the oceans. There are 5 main oceans. A very large deep water bodies is called an ocean. It has slant water. इसको salty होता है, नमकीन बोलते हैं जिसको. There are 5 oceans in the world: the Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, the Antarctic Ocean, and the Arctic Ocean. So there are 5 oceans. Which oceans? Pacific Ocean, the Atlantic Ocean, the Indian Ocean, Antarctic Ocean, and the Southern Ocean. Also, we are saying Antarctic as Southern Ocean. The Antarctic Ocean, we also called it Southern Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean, and it is located with the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere up. I told you that extreme top north is there. That's why I have taught you before directions. You should know the direction, then you can learn the continents and oceans of the exact place of the continents and the oceans. So you can learn in this way the continents and oceans. So I have songs, 2 songs of the continents and oceans. You listen carefully and maybe you will understand better. Don't be panic. Come soon. Yesterday I was asking about continent and ocean. That's why I am teaching you in detail. It will help you in 6th standard also. But now you have to learn about only continents and ocean, names of continents, oceans, and how to mark on the map, world map. Yes. Listen carefully. Pay attention, students.
Do you know the continents?
Do you know the continents?
Know the 7 continents?
Know the 7 continents?
Can you name the continents?
Can you name the continents?
Name the 7 continents.
Name the 7 continents.
People of the earth live
People of the earth live
on the continents.
on the continents.
There is Asia,
Asia,
Africa,
Africa,
Europe,
Europe,
Australia,
Australia,
North America,
North America,
South America.
South America,
Don't forget Antarctica.
Antarctica. You know the continents.
continents?
Do you know the continents?
Know the 7 continents?
Know the 7 continents?
Can you name the continents?
Can you name the continents?
Name the 7 continents.
Name the 7 continents.
People of the earth live
People of the earth live
on the continents.
on the continents.
There is Asia,
Asia,
Africa,
Africa,
Europe,
Europe,
Australia,
Australia,
North America,
North America,
South America.
South America,
Don't forget Antarctica.
Antarctica. You know the continents.
So another video I'll show you. Again, you watch this carefully first and learn.
Do you know the continents?
Do you know the continents?
Know the 7 continents.
Know the 7 continents?
Can you name the continents?
Can you name the continents?
Name the 7 continents.
Name the 7 continents.
People of the earth live
People of the earth live
on the continents.
on the continents.
There is Asia,
Asia,
Africa,
Africa,
Europe,
Europe,
Australia,
Australia,
North America,
North America,
South America.
South America,
Don't forget Antarctica.
Antarctica. You know the continents.
Do you know the continents?
Do you know the continents?
Know the 7 continents.
Know the 7 continents?
Can you name the continents?
Can you name the continents?
Name the 7 continents.
Name the 7 continents.
People of the earth live.
Now you can hear about oceans, song of oceans. Listen carefully. This is for your better learning. And I will ask you questions. Learn spelling also, numbering also, which is the largest. Yes.
Hi kids, how about learning the 5 oceans? Hi kids, how about learning the 5 oceans today? Come, sing along with me. Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, there are 5 oceans. Oceans are the largest bodies of water. Pacific is the largest ocean in the world. Oceans are the largest bodies of water. Pacific is the largest ocean in the world. Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Oceans, there are 5 oceans. Hey! Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Oceans, there are 5 oceans.
Yes, students, I'm coming back to you. Yes. So don't look everything on the book. I have to explain you the things. That's why I'm showing the pictures also. Go beyond the book also to learn something. I'm coming back to you. Yes, you have so many problems. Please don't ask me questions of the further lessons. Please ask me questions of this topic only, which I have taught you. You have done 2-3 topics, I know. That's 5th A, I think. 5th B. Please, you ask me question about this topic, this lesson only. I will share the text screen also. Then you see what is in your book or not. And don't ask me unnecessary questions. Yes. Any problem? Where to do, what to do, I'll send you the in Snap homework. Yes, from this video, where is, that's why I had shown you the video. Those who are not able to see the video, that means you have network problem. Yes. So learn like that. So, okay. Dhritikpur, you have question. Yes, Dhritikpur. What is your question?
Excuse
yes,
me, ma'am.
About
Ma'am,
this chapter, yes.
Ma'am, in the morning, Sister Jyoti has sent us question answers, but she has not sent the answers. There were only questions. We have to do that.
You find, yes, you find the question. No? I have sent you the PDF of lesson also. Have you seen?
Yes, ma'am. Sister Jyoti has sent us.
So you find the questions, no? Very easy. Globe, what is globe? Only these type of question, no? I have taught
Ma'am,
you, and it is in. Please read the chapter. It is very necessary. Parents, you also please make them your child to learn read the lesson. Reading is very important. Everything is in the chapter.
Ma'am,
Reading.
we have to write the answers by ourselves.
Yes. Sister has not
Okay,
said no
ma'am.
problem. I'll see. If
Okay,
you are
ma'am.
finding difficult, then you tell.
No,
Yes,
ma'am, I
Gurpreet.
will.
Okay, Gurpreet, your question.
Ma'am, how many oceans are there?
What you heard? You tell me now. How many oceans are there? Yes, please, beta. I taught you now, na? 15 minutes I have taught this only. Yes, how many oceans? Yes, Jia Malik, I can see your hands. 5 oceans. Yes, you please listen to Jia. Yes, Jia will tell. Yes, Jia, tell.
Ma'am, there are 5 oceans in the world.
You have network problem. Yes, speak. Which 5 oceans?
Ma'am,
Which 5
Pacific
oceans?
Ocean, Indian. Ma'am, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean.
Atlantic Ocean. Yes. Yes, 5 oceans. I can read from the chat also. Good. Sijan Kaur. Aima Sharma, good. Yes, very good. There are 5 oceans. So I will ask the questions regarding Ashvika. Very good. Ma'am, 5 oceans. Yes, very good. So I'll ask questions only on oceans, only about oceans. So listen carefully. If you have heard the song, you just tell me. Which is the largest ocean and deepest? Largest and deepest. It was written on that screen also. Yes, who will tell me? Harleen Kaur. Which is the largest and the deepest ocean?
Ma'am, Pacific Ocean.
Very good. Nice. And just tell me, which ocean is only ocean which has been named after a country? Uska country ka bhi naam hai.
Indian Ocean.
Yes, Indian Ocean, your own country. Good. So in this way you have to learn. Okay? Okay, very good. Yes. Now continents. About continents I am going to ask now. Okay, tell me, which is the largest continent? Which is the first largest continent? Yes. Yes. Ashvika Singh. Yes, Ashvika? Tell me.
Ma'am, the largest continent is, ma'am, Asia.
Asia. And your country is in which continent? Your country, India.
Ma'am, Asia.
Yes, good. And which is the second largest continent? Who will tell me? Ariba. Yes, Ariba? Okay. Harvin, you tell. Which is the second largest continent?
Ma'am, Europe.
No. Any other girl? Second largest. Europe is 6th largest. Yes, Shirja?
Atlantic. Ma'am, Atlantic.
Africa. That is Africa. So I'll repeat again the first continent. Yes, Africa. Good, Gushin. Akshita. Yes. North America is third. I will speak again. The first largest is Asia, second Africa, third North America, fourth South America, fifth Antarctica, and sixth Europe, and seventh Australia. Okay, in this way you have to learn. Understood? Your question now, your turn, your doubts. So, yes. Janvi Slatia, you have question? Yes, as you are giving right answer. Yes, good.
Ma'am,
Yes,
मैम
please speak.
मैम सिस्टर्स होती ना, मैं जो भेजे थे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स, उसके नीचे मैम सिस्टर्स होती ना, वहाँ पे कुछ लिखे थे ना सेकंड पेज में, मैम वो उनके ही आंसर्स है ना?
मैं फिर पूछ के बताऊंगी. I'll ask to sister then tell. Okay, I will send this. She will clear your doubts by snap homework. Okay, you don't worry about that. Okay, you ask me question about the topic, bache. Ask a question about the topic. Yes, Arvind, ask me question. Yes, what question do you want? Which question? Which answer do you want? Yes.
Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean,
Yes. Very good. Clap. Clap for your big clap. You are learning the song. Good. Any other girl? Good, good. Any other girl wants to say the song? Yes. Harleen Kaur, yes, what do you want to say? Harleen Kaur, कुछ कहना चाहते हो?
No, ma'am, I don't want to say something.
You raise the hand, bete. Then I'll come to the. Yes, Ridhima Mahajan. Ridhima Mahajan. Yes.
Ma'am, I have to ask that. Please add me in the group.
Which group I have to add you? Tell your teacher. No problem. Okay. So I will share book with you now. Books that PDF. Then you're able to know which is your chapter. Which chapter I have taught. Yes. You don't have book, I know. So go and buy a book first. Yes. See, this only I have taught you. See, astronomers के बारे में पढ़ाया था आपको कल मैंने, फिर आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछे थे. Yes. Yes. Then see, shape of the earth. I have taught you about shape of the earth. Yes. See. Now globe, about the globe we have studied. Everything is written in your book. So first you read the book, then you come with your doubts. Understood? Signs and symbols about, I have taught you in detail. The pictures are not in your book, but I have shown you the picture related to your topic. What are special maps I have taught? See, directions I have taught you now. See all directions, arrows pointing toward different directions, help us to locate place. Scale I have taught you just now. See, it is not possible to show actual distances. हम सही distance नहीं बता सकते मैप पे, इसलिए हम इसको use करते हैं. So, you have to learn the new terms also, and the internal also, which are the as a definition. Symbols of a map, directions, scale. You learn also what is globe, what is map. Yes, you want to ask about this person, so I'll open that page only. First page. First page I will show you. So here is written, just say shape of the earth. These are the few examples who proved that the earth is round, because earlier what people were thinking, the earth is flat. Now Ferdinand Magellan, a Portuguese explorer, European that. So prove that, let then expedition, उसको भेजा गया, एक ग्रुप ने भेजा उसको कि प्रूव करो, एक्सप्लोर करो, डिस्कवर करो, ढूंढ के लाओ कि अर्थ की शेप कैसी है, ये है इसका मतलब। सो फिर उसने क्या किया, वो शिप चलाई, यहां से स्टार्ट की। अगर आप सर्कल एक बनाओगे, यहां से शुरू करोगे, दोबारा उधर ही वापस आ जाए तो इसका क्या मतलब है, आपने राउंड चक्कर ले लिया, आपने एक राउंड, यू हैव टेकन द राउंड। सो like this, yesterday I have shown you what is the full form of NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. That means you are not studying at home, you are not reading the chapter. So read the chapter, then come with your answers. So any other girl want to ask anything about anything? So this is the chapter I have sent you. Please open PDF and see. This is my request. Yes, now Meher Gupta. Book is same. This book only. I'll ask sister, no problem today. Book is Longman Vistar Social Studies 5. Mukta Mishra and Geeta Seth. I will send you the picture of the book, a front page. Pearson's book. Yes, new terms also you have to learn. Portuguese is from the Europe, Portugal. Okay. प्लेस क्या, उस प्लेस से वो एक्सप्लोरर होता है जो डिस्कवर करते हैं, ढूंढ के लाते हैं. ओके, यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम मेहर गुप्ता. दैट मीन्स यू अंडरस्टूड द, यस, you all welcome those who are saying thank you. That means you understood the chapter, and those who did not understand the chapter, read the chapter properly, and in next class come with more questions, more doubts, and I'll start with the second chapter then. Okay, this your chapter is over because this is small chapter about only maps, globes. I had gone to in details to make you understand the chapter better. Okay, yes, yes, right. Both way you can write aeronautical or aeronautics, right? Okay, bye, bye students. Have a nice day. Bye.